your engine starts making a strange metallic tapping sound, and suddenly the power drops just when you need to merge into traffic. It is a stressful moment that usually points to a code like P032C, which means your powertrain control module has detected a lower than expected signal from knock sensor number 3 on bank 1. Bank 1 is simply the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 lives. These sensors are essentially the ears of your engine, using piezoelectric crystals to turn mechanical vibrations into electrical signals. When the engine vibrates, the crystal creates a tiny voltage that the computer interprets as noise. If the computer sees a specific voltage pattern, it knows the engine is knocking or detonating and will retard the ignition timing to protect the metal components inside. However, when the signal is too low, the computer loses its ability to monitor that cylinder properly. You might notice hesitation during acceleration, poor fuel economy, or even scary noises coming from the engine bay. This code is serious because if the sensor is not working, the computer cannot stop a major internal failure from happening. Before you dive in, always check for technical service bulletins specific to your vehicle, because sometimes a simple software update is the fix. If you decide to go under the hood, be extremely careful. These sensors are often threaded directly into the coolant passages in the engine block. If the engine is hot, removing that sensor will spray scalding coolant everywhere, so let it cool down completely. Start by inspecting the wiring harness. These sensors are located low on the block, where they often get bumped or broken when people are changing starters or engine mounts. Use a digital volt ohm meter to check the signal at the sensor connector. If the sensor is outputting the right voltage but the computer is not seeing it, you have a wiring issue. If there is no voltage at the sensor itself, then the sensor has likely failed and needs to be replaced to keep your engine from destroying itself from the inside out.